Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question: 30 divided by 1 by 5, then multiply 6. Okay. So now let's solve this problem by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, then second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so here is division and here is multiplication, both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. Okay, so is equal to, now 30, and now according to KCF rule, K means keep this 30 as it is same. C means change this sign from division to multiplication, and F means flip this fraction 1 by 5 is equal to 5 by 1. Okay, here is 5 by 1, so we can also remove this one because 1 divided by 5 is equal to 5. Okay, multiply 6. Now here is multiplication and here is multiplication, both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. Okay, so 30 multiply 5 is equal to 150. Multiply 6. Now 150 multiply 6 is equal to 900. Okay, so the correct answer is 900. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.